I wanted to create something that represents the armor of God, like in Ephesians 6 in the Bible. So I sat down, I started designing this sign, and I wanted to illuminate, and I want it to be more than just decorative. I want it to be a statement, a statement. So the sign, I want it to be a purpose, serve a purpose. So let's look at the design process. So I started with the basic shield shape. You can see this basic outline shield shape. And then from there out, I just extruded and I made walls. And with these walls, I knew I wanted a deep lip and a little bit of lip here because I wanted to stack some plates on that. So what I did is that there's a lot of reverse engineering going on here. So I made this diffuser plate. So that's going to be what goes in here. And this diffuser plate, these are all separate solid pieces I had to design. And that diffuser plate all comes together as one. And the reason why you design them all in separate pieces is so they're very, very, very extremely easy to color. So that's why you do that. So yeah, so here's what I would call my diffuser. And this is all just coming off that basic shape. And in here, I have a relief of like 5/1000 because I want it to kind of squeak fit in there, so I don't want to relieve it too much. That would be roughly 0.1 millimeter, I believe, 0.16 millimeter, I don't know. Something like that. And on top of this is what's going to give it this effect. So it gives it like a stained glass effect almost is what I'm looking for. But it's more like a illumination. And then I decided to put this halo around there just because I wanted it to represent the piece, the power statement. Okay. And then there's a top plate that goes on top of that. And that top plate is it's chamfered and it looks all nice and beautiful. And I could go through the process on how I designed all this, but that would be a very long video. And then at the very end, I wanted this diffuser, this cross diffuser, boom. That's going to be all white. It's all clear and all white. And we'll get to the filament here in a minute. But I just wanted you to know that cross diffuser, I designed that to be hollowed out and printed. It's at a 30-degree angle. And this is going to be the all part of it. So let's take a look and see what I got in Bambu Studio. And here you can see I have all these plates stacked up, and I have all my colors already picked out. And I'm just gonna have this guy printing out regular PLA. There's my back plate. This is gonna be just a diffuser plate. And as you can see, when you turn around, I have this all colored. You just got to select top layer boundary or whatever it is, man, and it colors right in. So this is the final result, and it will be 3D printed with PLA and stuff like that. And I'll go through the process while I print it, and I'll get some clips and some YouTube shorts and stuff, and maybe make a video out of it when I'm just going through the process of making this light. All right, thanks for tuning in, man. You guys have a great day. God bless.